Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and I have a Christmas gift for you already. Now I am going to be hacking CDs and DVDs. I bought 5 of these at my favorite thrift store, 5 holiday CDs, DVDs, and I am going to be using them like this and like this. There will probably be more ideas, but for now, I wanted to give you an example of what I mean. Now I can use these in the ceiling of a dollhouse with a light in the middle. It could be the same light that you see there. That's a Dollar Tree light. So picture that, this facing the other way, and picture that in the ceiling of a dollhouse. So you can use it like that. But I just love this one. This one I think is my favorite. So I placed 5 chairs around it, being that it's a big table. You know what I'm saying? This can go in any dollhouse. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to stick to the 1.12 scale. You can mix scales. So this becomes a large table. So that's the Dollar Tree lighting right there. And I think this came out so nice. A simple idea. This is just simple. You know what I'm saying? Nothing fancy, but look at the effect. I could see this in my gigantic dollhouse, in that living room that I continue to change up. So you will see this again. So this is idea number 1. And the other items, I just placed them on the sides just to give this a Christmas feel, even though the table is already a Christmas feel. But I added these items, which I already have out. I left them out all year, so I didn't have to go digging for them in the basement. This was a Goodwill piece. This I think was from my favorite thrift store. And then this here, let me show it to you before I go on to the other idea for the CDs. So this here is a little jewelry box that I use as a little table. And then this here, let me show you, this is a ring. This is one of those elastic rings that expands. So I am using it with a plant inside of it, like that. So this could be a centerpiece even for the center of the table. Anyway, so let's not get off track. This is about the CDs, DVDs, the hacking, okay? So that's idea number 1. Then this is idea number 2. Now the tree does light up. Yeah, it still works, but you can't really see the lighting, I guess. I see it changing colors, but it's not that potent. But anyway, this was the only tree that I had out because I left it out all year. And also these pieces, I left them out all year. So just to give you the example, so we can use these CDs, DVDs as tree skirts. And look at this one. Look at this CD. Isn't that beautiful? You know which one I really like? I like this one. This can also go under the tree. Now, you can use these on the walls of the dollhouses, and like I said, on the ceiling, like that, right? Like that on the ceiling. These are beautiful. So yeah, so I'm going to be playing around with these CDs for Christmas. You'll be seeing them all over my creations in different ways. So this is my favorite, this one right here, my favorite. So I wanted to share this with you. And you can do this too. I know that you have CDs at home. Now they might not be holiday ones like this, but you can even alter them too. You can alter them in some way and make them look like Christmas. You know, place a tablecloth over them. You know, look for something that's a tablecloth that fits great on top, and you can make your own. So here's the other one. Well, this is it. I will see you closer to Christmas with new creations, and you will be seeing these again. So I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.